To jama'a ga wani sabon labari, ku zo ku ga wani fefan bidiyon Rahama Sadau da ita da wani gaye da suka yi.
There's nothing wrong with saying that. Are you for real? Ignore
Halima! Halima, open door now. Oh, okay. Call in there, Abby. You gonna do small, oh. The other guys are going to town to organize camp for you. Me, I'll just follow them to buy some drugs, Sha. Take care. Collins, take care of her.
Whoa, wait, chill. Are you alright? Please just sit down, babe. Sit down. How you feeling?
Very bad.
Very?
Bad.
You know what? Let me just see the guys, and then I'll come back to you. Okay? Lie down, I beg. Thank you. My princess. Come in.